Would you like to increase your conversion rates and gain more profit from existing customers? There's a marketing strategy that will help you achieve this goal and make the most of the users and customers you already have. In this video, we'll talk about the upselling, what it is, and how to upsell in your strategy. Let's jump straight into it. What exactly is upselling? Upselling is a sales technique where customers are encouraged to upgrade to a premium or enhanced product, or purchase add-ons to increase their spending. For example, you might encourage them to upgrade their subscription. The aim is to offer the buyer options they may not have considered and increase the level of profit you get from their final purchase. Aside from the obvious benefit of increased profit, what are the benefits of implementing an upselling strategy in your business? On the one hand, upselling can help you develop deeper relationships with your customers, and when it's done right, it can improve the shopping experience. The aim is to make your customers feel they are getting a good deal. On the other hand, it's also easier and cheaper to upsell to existing customers than sourcing and attracting new ones. From the customer's perspective, if you apply the strategy well, it can offer them convenience and flexibility. Upselling can balance growth between new and existing customers. It can also increase customer lifetime value, which consists of net profit contribution a customer makes to your company over time. And last but not least, upselling is one of the most effective techniques for converting shoppers into return customers. It can also increase your profit margins and your ROI. Now that you know what is upselling, you might be wondering what the difference between this strategy and cross-selling. Although both techniques are commonly used in e-commerce, there is a subtle distinction between the two terms. Put simply, cross-selling is about adding to a sale by promoting additional complementary products. For example, if a shopper is buying a laptop from you, you could cross-sell software, speakers, or headphones. Upselling in turn is about offering an enhanced product. If the same shopper is buying a laptop, you could offer them a premium version of the product or an enhanced warranty. In other words, upselling increases your revenue by convincing a buyer to purchase a superior version of a product, whereas cross-selling suggests complementary products to buy. Your business model will ultimately dictate whether cross-selling or upselling is more interesting. Having said that, most companies find that a mix of the two strategies at different stages of the sales funnel can help to boost profit margins and add value to the buyer experience. If you need examples to help you design an upselling strategy that provides your customers with genuine value and increase your overall revenue, don't worry. Here are some ideas you can apply to your company strategy to upsell. Get to know your buyers. First and foremost, you need to understand your market so that you can implement the right upselling strategy. Use tools like Google Analytics to get to know the habits and behaviors of your customers. Figure out what they search for and what they buy so you can identify the right products to upsell. Make sure you understand their needs before you approach them with an upsell opportunity. You want each customer to feel you are adding value with your proposition. Choose a relevant product to upsell. You'll also need to make sure that the products you upsell are relevant. Do they provide customers with added benefits? Are they relevant to the products that they have decided to buy? Talk to them about additional features and the benefits they will see now and in the future. Offering your customers irrelevant products or overwhelming them with too many options is a surefire way to put them off. This will not only put them off from making their initial purchase, but it is also likely to stop them from returning in the future. Offer a reward. A great tactic to encourage an upsell is offering a reward. This can be a great incentive to motivate customers to be impulsive and commit to your offer. The best time to do this is at the final stage of the purchase. For example, if they have $50 worth of items in their shopping basket, you can offer them the incentive of a 10% discount if they upgrade a product. Offer free shipping. Another great tactic to use at the final stage of a purchase is free shipping if a customer upgrades their purchase. This gives them a clear payoff and it can be a great motivator. Studies have shown that 9 out of 10 customers say free shipping is their top incentive for completing an online order. For example, Sephora's e-commerce platform offers customers free shipping once their order reaches a value of $50. Customers would much rather spend that extra money on a product than on something intangible like shipping expenses. Offer multiple upsell opportunities. You should aim to offer multiple upselling opportunities at different stages of the customer journey. This makes it far more likely that you will successfully upsell a product. For example, you could offer upselling opportunities on product pages when customers add items to their shopping cart and when they check out. Finally, and arguably most importantly, never be pushy. You don't want to annoy your customers or overwhelm them with upsells. If you promote upselling opportunities at the wrong time or too often, then you might lose the sale altogether. For example, there's no point pushing an upselling opportunity when a user has just landed on a product page. You should also avoid using pop-up windows or anything that gets in the way of their shopping experience. Generally speaking, the best time to upsell is once the prospect has decided to make a purchase. This might be when they add an item to their basket or just before they check out. You want your customers to feel that the product you are trying to upsell will provide them with the genuine value, not that you are pushing a hard sale for your own benefit. Upselling is just one of the strategies that some of the most successful companies use to sell more and reach more customers. If you want to learn 9 successful techniques brands such as Nike, Red Bull, Spotify, and Twitch use in their marketing strategies, click the video on your screen right now. We'll see you there, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.